Alright guys, once TikTok Live Studio is installed, we'll see this interface. Here in Scene Layout, we'll have to choose between vertical and horizontal. Since it's TikTok, it's recommended to set it to vertical. Now we'll need to start adding everything. Here in Sources, we'll click the plus symbol, and we'll have to choose Screen Capture. You can capture the entire screen or just a specific window, which is recommended for gaming. And click Select Game. Here we'll choose the game. Remember, you must have it open so it gets detected. Add source. And as you can see, we've already added the game, and if I open it, you'll see it works. Now let's adjust the size. Next, we'll need to add the webcam if you have one, so click Add Source and choose Camera. In my case, I don't have an active camera at the moment, but if you do, you can place it here. Here we can improve the quality and even add effects. Same thing here, adjust the size. Then we can add more things like text, images, links, etc. In my case, I'll add a goal. Here you can configure the goal to your preference. Lastly, we'll add the alerts. Here you can configure how the alert appears on screen, including the duration of each one. And in appearance, we can customize the look. For example, if it's Christmas season, we can apply this theme. Click on Preview to see how it would look. And finally, to make sure we have the best possible quality, click on Settings, Live Quality, and in Video Quality, the best is to set it to 1080p. If your PC isn't very good, you can leave it at 720p. And for FPS, I recommend 60 FPS, since it makes a big difference in games. And that's it, guys. Now you're ready to start the live.